Now we're going to work some application problems and combining like terms. Here we have a figure, and it says find the perimeter of the figure. We have to remember what perimeter is before we can begin. Remember, perimeter is just all the way around a figure. So when we take each one of the sides and we add it up, that's the perimeter. Think about all those cop shows and stuff that say maintain the perimeter, meaning, maintain all the way around something, whether that be a square figure or whatever. Okay, we're going to begin here at this 3x feet side, and I'm going to move all the way around clockwise, adding up each one of the sides. So that would be plus x, and then next would be plus 7, and then next would be plus 4x. The next side is 12, and the last side there is a 5x. Now we can combine all of the x's. We've got 3x and x would make 4x's, and another 4x's would make 8x's, and 5x's would make 13x's altogether. We can also combine our plain numbers. 7 and 12 would be 19. Now we cannot combine these because they are not like terms. They're not both x's or both plain numbers. So our answer is 3x plus 19 feet. In the next problem, again, we're doing the perimeter. Now we know that it says each side is 9y plus 1. Well, let's look at how many sides we have here. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 sides. So remember, multiplication is nothing more than just repeated addition. So we could add 9y plus 1 plus 9y plus 1 plus 9y plus 1, on and on and on. Or we could use the shortcut version, which would be to say 6 of those 9y's plus 1. Now, do you see a distribution here? Absolutely. We have to distribute that 6 throughout those parentheses. So 6 times 9y would be 54y, and 6 times a positive 1 would be a positive 6. Our perimeter now would be 54y plus 6 kilometers. In this last problem, it asks us to find the area of the rectangle. Well, before we can do that, we really have to remember what area truly means. Area is length times width. Now, if I said that this side is my length and this side is my width, that's fine. You could also change those around and say width and length, length and width. It really doesn't matter. Now, if the way I have it written here, length would be x minus 2, and the width would be 32. But remember that multiplication is commutative. It can happen in any order. So it would be the same exact thing as if I said the area was equal to 32 times x minus 2. Now, do you see a distribution here? We should. We have to distribute that 32 throughout the parentheses. So 32 times x would be 32x, and 32 times negative 2 would be negative 64. So our area would be 32x minus 64 kilometers.